Hey guys, it's Sherri Somers. How we doing today? In this video, I'm going to be showing you and convincing you how financial planning does not have to be scary. So come on in here. I'm going to be definitely breaking down 4 or 5 steps, give or take, that you can use to get your financial consulting, financial coaching, or financial planning business up and started. So if you're a beginner, you definitely want to check out this video. Now, let me get started. Let me say this. One of the things why I chose financial planning myself is as a marketer, I knew very well how to market my business. The challenge that I have is learning more about finances, right? So I wanted to dive deeper in knowing more about life insurance and all their policies and all their products. I also did that for my own self. I had a chance where when I got divorced, my credit went to 430 and I pulled myself out of having a 430 credit. And if I did that, I said, you know what? I can teach people, but instead of saying I want to teach finance, I want to teach others, I actually wanted to teach financial coaches and consultant how they can market their business like I did in order to grow my business as it is today, where I do speaking engagements and flying out and become the authority. And I wanted to teach people how to build their financial confidence. And so, what better way to build your financial confidence than having your own financial planning business? You tell me. So, no, it doesn't have to be scary. I'm just gonna break down some things that I wish I knew, and I'm gonna be careful because I'm getting ready to disrupt what you were taught in the financial space. So, like I said before, I was the one that was called in to go to these financial businesses and market their business because there's so much rules in the financial industry that you really have to be careful how you market your business. So knowing I already knew those rules, I was ahead of the game, right? I know for a fact that when it comes to selling your financial product or selling your financial business, the best way to do so is to be face to face. However, if you're listening to this right now, you know that face to face marketing is not the most healthiest thing right now that's going on. So as I go through these lists of things that you can do to build your new financial business, I'm happy for you. Make sure you send me an email at info@itssherri.com, info@itssherri.com if you have any questions about this video. All right. So let me get started right now. So when it comes to financial planning, the first thing you want to do is you want to learn as much as you can about the products that you're going to be offering. Now, I would suggest take 1 or 2 things to know inside and out, whether you are doing mortgage protection or final expense or anything in that nature. And if you're saying to yourself, well, Sherri, I'm not in life insurance, what do I need to know? Know about credit repair. Some of my clients are in credit repair business, right? Know about how clients are not supposed to leave money on the table during their life, when they're budgeting for their lifestyle. So whatever it is, whatever product you're going to be selling, know that product inside and out, right? And please don't do the analysis paralysis where you're thinking you don't know enough to get started. And that is a disclaimer. You know enough. I bind that spirit up in the name of Jesus. Okay. Now, so understand every day you wake up to build your financial business, understand why you're doing it, right? Every financial planner, every financial consultant that I deal with, yes, we're doing it for our family and to bring more income in, but look at the lives that we touch, that we impact, that people are able to get new homes, cars, new job, loans, all this stuff because they work with someone like yourself to transform their life. So understand this picture is way bigger than us. That's the first thing to understand. Now let me get into hardcore stuff. All right, so that was number one, you're making an impact. Remember that you're making an impact. Now the second thing that you want to do is build your professional authority. Build your own personal brand. Build your authority. I cannot stress that enough. What I see some things that financial planners do wrong when they first come in this business, they buy all these leads. They haven't even know their business yet, but they're buying all these leads and they're doing this door knocking, and there's nothing wrong with that. If it works for you, works for you. But in my industry, I rather market to many than market to one-on-one. So marketing to many means the internet is so powerful and it goes beyond just your local area. So if you combine what you're doing locally and what you're doing online, there's a plethora of people that you can touch, and then you have endless worth of leads. So bringing your business into the online space as you're protected with your financial rules and regulations, it's important to understand don't limit yourself just to the local area. And you do that by building your personal brand. You build a brand that people get to know who you are, not just as a financial planner, but leverage the opportunity to go on podcasts, leverage the opportunity to go live so other people can know more about you. What happened is that will make you stand out from other people who are in the financial industry, because you're becoming the educator and educating people in their financial space. And people love that. They love seeing you as an authority. When something changes, something you need to know, you're the person that they will go to because they keep seeing you and you keep showing up. So inside of that financial space, the second thing I was telling you is building your authority. The third thing is to understand that you are your brand. Building your authority kind of tie into that. But what I mean by you are your brand is many of the times you want to be authentic and you want to be real. One of the things that I keep getting in my inbox, and if it's you, please stop inboxing me with this. I keep getting my Instagram, hey, are you open to keeping your options open? Like, that is a line life insurance agents been using forever, and we're going to delete that line because I know companies are probably the ones telling you that. But if Tom, Dick, Harry, Sally, Monique, Monica is all using that same line, it's a redundant line. That means you know nothing about me, because I'm not going to keep my option open with people I don't know. Why are you kidding me? I'm going to give you my money for my life insurance or my financial coaching business, and I don't know you like that? No. Build an authentic relationship and stay out of people's inbox until you get to know them on a need to know basis. You've built a relationship with them. They've engaged with you several times, not just one time commenting on your post and you go into their inbox. Keeping your options open is a line everyone uses, and it has to stop. That's not authentic, right? So if you don't want to be seen as just another consultant or just another financial planner, create your own authentic way. Put yourself visible out there enough for people to see you, like, know, and trust you. And that will attract them to want to do business with you, because what you just did was position yourself as the expert. So go away how the marketers or the guru has told you about doing business and start creating your own authentic way. My clients have came from Instagram. My clients have came from Facebook. My clients have came from face-to-face marketing. My clients have came from speaking engagement. My clients have came from podcasts. My client has came from webinars, right? And all those things is about putting myself out there, right? And not doing exactly what the guru or what those financial planners are telling you. Let's face it, financial marketing is a great marketing to build your business. But the challenge that financial marketers face is they have a blanket marketing sometimes for everyone. Remember, it's your business. It's your business, and you have the power to shift and create the amazing business that you want. I think that's what makes financial planning so amazing. You can create what it wants, and it first start in building your financial confidence. You're the financial expert. But sometimes I think as financial expert, we don't feel it yet because we're beginners. You're like, oh my God, I'm a beginner, I don't know. No, living your power. Living your power as a financial coach. Build that financial confidence that, yes, I can help somebody. Yes, I have a skills and ability that will make me money regardless of how the economy is, regardless of how the recession or anything that I'm going through. I have a skills, and I have a high achieving skills that will continuously make me money. So let's get the fear out the way and build your financial confidence that you have high achieving skills that is going to make you money regardless. And which brings me to my bonus point before I close out. Then bring me to my bonus point. Now that you know you have the high achieving skills, you can leverage your life insurance policy, your life insurance license, or your financial license, or your real estate, whatever license that you have. You can leverage that because you already did the work and you already took the test. And when you did the work and you took the test, you already have that. So now that you have that, now you can leverage that by being in different places and be visible and standing out among the crowd. So when you are posting on social media, your information doesn't fall on deaf ear. Okay, so I'm going to stop there because I'm excited that you say yes to yourself. I'm excited that you choose a high achieving skills to get into, to transform people's lives. And I want you to realize your own greatness in building your financial confidence. There's a video that I have about the 4 pillars of financial confidence. Make sure you watch that video. It is vital and so important to moving and shifting your business to the next level. You have what it takes to be a great financial advisor, to be a great financial coach. When you tap into yourself, you know how to build your business from the ground up. And listen, if you want to get started, even first making your first 2K or manifesting your first 2K in this beginning financial world, feel free to check out my page at itssherrisomers.com. Itssherri.com. Learn teaching you how to make your first 2Ks in your description. So let's hit it. And again, join me in my Release My Revenue Facebook group, if you haven't already. It's for financial professionals to learn how not only just to build their financial confidence, but also how to stand in their authority. Talk to you soon. It's your girl, Sherri Somers, your Revenue Attraction Master Life Coach.